Welcome back to Shaji Autos, you guys. Today's video is going to be a short little video on how to change your cabin air filter in your 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius. The cabin air filter itself is located behind the glove box. So the very first thing you want to do is actually open the glove box. And once we come around to the passenger side, you'll notice that there's a attachment point right here with a makeshift shock, if you will, that holds up the glove box itself. And then there are a couple tabs on both sides. So the very first step is to loosen these tabs that are in each side by pulling in the glove box on itself until the tabs come out, as so. Then you'll go back to this attachment point and just slide off this little shock. Be careful because the glove box does fall, so it's better if it's empty. And here is where the cabin filter is located. And it's held in this tray, and it's secured in by these two slots on both sides of this tray, which you press in simultaneously and slide out the tray. And once you slide out the tray, you will see that the cabin filter is securely inside there, and as you can see, this one's pretty dirty and needs to be changed. On this side, you'll see there's a brand new air filter or cabin air filter, and now we'll go ahead and remove the old one, and it's secured into the tray via these tabs on the side. So you can go ahead and pull those out, or pull the filter out from that, and that'll unsecure the old air filter. The next thing you would want to do is compare your new air filter to your old one, just to make sure you have the correct part, and then you can go ahead and toss the old one. And then now go ahead and install the new one, slide it into the tabs on one side, and then go to the other side and gently secure it into the tabs on that side, and make sure the filter itself is flush all around. Once you have that done, then you can go ahead and slide the tray back in. You're going to look for an indentation in the front that says up, and that way you know which direction to insert the tray in. So just slide it in gently until it securely clicks into place. Once you have that, you can go ahead and reinstall the glove box. We're going to start at the bottom with these grooves and make sure we fully connect these points at the bottom. And once we have those points connected, we're going to manually lift up the glove box and then go ahead and reattach the little shock absorber to the attachment point on the side of the glove box. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and put it back in the tabs gently to get the glove box locked back in place, and you're done.